Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can notice, I am slowly losing my voice because yesterday my throat started hurting me so much when I woke up. Maybe because of the cold, I'm not sure, but hopefully I can talk better and I can talk normal for the next video. But today you will have to listen to me like this. So I apologize for that in advance, but I'm still doing a holiday makeup for you guys. So today will be a very fun makeup because if you're the one looking for a natural eyeshadow with a red lipstick for the holidays, especially for Christmas, I really recommend that you watch till the end because that is what I have in mind today. I want to create a natural eyeshadow and basically all the attention will be on the lips. I will be wearing a red lipstick today, and let me tell you guys, I've tried red lipsticks before, and me personally, I have others critique my lips and they say that I look fine, but me personally, I think that red I think that, oh my god, I'm really losing my voice, guys, bear with me please. I really think that red lipstick doesn't go well with my lips. Maybe because I'm not used to it. Maybe because I'm so used to nude colors. I don't know what's going on with me, but I feel like I'm not really comfortable wearing red lips all the time. But today we will change that again. I'm going beyond my limits and trying everything because that is what makeup is about, trying new things and basically going out of your comfort zone. So I am very excited for today's video. So if you're curious to find out how I create this natural glam look for the holidays, then before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also if you enjoyed this video at the end, don't forget to give me a thumbs up so that way it helps my channel grow and we grow together. So without any further ado guys, let's go ahead and start this video. So in this video, I really want to include all the steps that I do when doing my makeup so that way you follow along. So I'm just going to fast forward the videos where I do my eyebrows and basically prep my lid before applying any eyeshadows. So now we are ready to apply our eyeshadows, and basically this is the steps that I do before I apply any eyeshadows. And as always, you already know, this is the morphexjefreestar palette, and I'll be using this baby to help me create that natural eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply Los Angeles, and if you guys are wondering, I am using the JS6 brush, and I'm just going to start right here. Now you want to grab a fluffy brush. I'm grabbing the JS9 brush. I'm gonna go ahead and grab channel and basically start diffusing the outer edge of my shadow. I'm gonna go again with Los Angeles and just basically darken right here. I really want to shape this color. Now I'm gonna grab my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is the shade Vanilla. And basically I'm going to cut my crease and apply a shimmer color on top of it. So just like that, guys, you just want to cut your crease halfway. And the reason why I did that because I want to darken the outer corner of my lid. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do next. So then I'm gonna grab the shade Hi Dude and basically apply it on my outer corner right here. And I just want to place the shade right there. I don't want to move it like up or down. Okay guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and apply our shimmer color. And for today's look, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to apply designer label, and let's see how that works. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply High Dude again and basically darken it a little bit more. And now I'm gonna go with Channel once more and basically diffuse the outer edge. And now for my under eyes, I'm going to apply High Dude right here. And then going with Los Angeles, I'm just going to apply it underneath High Dude and basically blend it out. Okay guys, so this is how I came up with this natural look, and I'm just gonna go ahead and do exactly the same step on this part of the eye. And I'm going to apply my lashes. Today I will be using these lashes. These are the Ardell Double Up Wispies. Okay guys, so I am back and I already applied my eyelashes. So now we're gonna go ahead and basically do the rest of the face. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. This is the shade Sand Beige. And then after that, I will be applying my Cashmere L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. And yeah, so I'm just going to fast forward this video so you guys can basically watch me do this whole entire face and how it transforms. So let's go ahead and start. Okay guys, so for the inner highlights, I'm going to apply custom rims. I never apply that in my inner corner, so let's hope that it comes out good, which I'm pretty sure it will. So it's just gonna grab it and put it right here. Yes. I'm telling you guys, this is my favorite shade ever. Custom rims. It's my favorite. Look how shiny it is. It's so pretty. Okay, so now that we are done with the entire face, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I'm going to do my red lips. This is the first time that I'm doing a very bright color, which is red, and I had to confess to you guys that I have tried to do red lips before and it was not coming out good. I was aligning my lips very bad, but I hope for this video I do a great job, but if I don't, then I don't know what's gonna happen. But let's go ahead and jump into the red lips. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is align my lips. So I have this lip liner from Milani, and now I'm just going to sit tight and apply this baby. So now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Maybelline Superstay lipstick. This is the shade 20. Okay guys, so our red lipstick, it's already applied. And thank you God that this lipstick came out good this time. I think mainly because the other time I wasn't applying my lip liner, and I think that it is really important that you apply your lip liner so that way your lipstick doesn't like move around or anything like that. So I'm really happy with this result. You know, it is better than the other times that I have tried and done it behind the camera, and I was just praying that today hopefully this lipstick came out good, and it did, and I'm super happy about that. So now the final thing that we're gonna do is apply our setting spray. Let me just go ahead and look for my Jeffree Star. Where's my Jeffree Star? Here it is. So as always, my favorite set and refresh mist, this baby right here. So that is it with the face, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these clips right here, and I'll be right back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, so this is the final look of this natural glam makeup for the holidays, and in my opinion I think that it came out really nice. I honestly was a little bit scared to apply the red lipstick like I told you guys, but I think that it came out really nice. I'm really loving this eyeshadow. I don't know, maybe this is the look that I will be wearing on Christmas. I don't know yet, because I really like how natural it looks, but it still looks glam and very pretty. And also the red lipstick basically changes everything. So I'm really happy that this look definitely came out good, and I really hope that you could recreate this look because it is super really nice. And obviously I won't be sharing this makeup if I personally didn't like it, but since I do, I really hope that you guys recreate it. And also these lashes are super natural. The only thing I will be changing for my look on Christmas might be the lashes. I might go for a more dramatic lashes, but if you're looking for a very natural lash, go for the Ardell wispy lashes because they're still wispy but very natural. So I really could recommend these lashes for those beginners out there. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching my video. So if you want to join this beauty inspired community, don't forget to like my video, and also don't forget to subscribe like at the bottom of this video, so that way you guys are notified whenever I post a video. And without any further ado, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.